Good morning, students. Now in this video I'm going to solve question number 5th B of TK Goel. I'm going to read out the question, that is, Anubha and Kajal entered into partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their capitals were 90,000 and 60,000. The profit during the year were 45,000. According to partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary rupees 700 per month and Anubha and 500 per month to Kajal. Interest on drawing on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. The drawings during the period were 8,500 for Anubha, rupees 6,500 for Kajal. Interest is to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum on drawings. Prepare partners capital accounts, assuming that the capital accounts are fluctuating. In this case, the capital is fluctuating. Here in the question it has been mentioned that it is fluctuating, but if question will be silent, you are supposed to assume that it is fluctuating. So let's solve the question. First of all, we will prepare working note for first I had made interest on capital. Anubha's capital is 90,000 and rate of interest on capital is 5%. So it is multiplied by 5 upon 100 and Anubha's interest on capital here is 4,500. Kajal capital here is 60,000. This is the opening capital balance, 5% interest. So interest on capital here it will be 3,000. Now interest on drawing. In the question, it has been stated that Anuja's drawings during the year is 85 and Kajal 6,500. So this is the total amount of drawing made during the year. So 5% interest is there to be charged. Now the question arises, how much time period? I had already told you, when the lump sum amount of drawing is given in the question, then interest is charged for 6 months. So here I had multiply 6 upon 12. You can also write 1 upon 2. अगर इस फ्रैक्शन को हम कट करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी 1 upon 2. So interest amount here is Anubha 212.5. So approximately I have written 213. Here Kajal 162.5, approximate rupees 163. So salary here I had calculated for Anubha 700 per month. So for the whole year एक साल का निकालना है, multiply by 12. So it will be 8,400. Here similarly for Kajal 500 per month. So for the whole year it is 6,000. Now let's proceed to the question. So I had already prepared P&L appropriation account. So first, balance of net profit before these appropriations. So it is given in the question, that is 45,000. So interest we had already calculated. So it will increase to this profit. Income shown on credit side of P&L appropriation account by interest on drawing. This is Anubha, this is Kajal's interest. So sum total I had written here. Now regarding partners salary, Anubha it is for 8,400, Kajal it is 6,000 and sum total outer column 14,400. Now interest on drawing, in the working note I had already calculated. Anubha 4,500, Kajal 3,000 and sum total 7,500. Now first we will total this side. This is 45,376 we had written here. Now we will calculate the net divisible profit which will be transferred to partners capital, not current. Why? Because the nature of capital here is fluctuating. So the balancing figure for net divisible profit is 23,476, which will be distributed between Anubha and Kajal in the ratio 2:1, which is given in the question. So Anubha's share here I had calculated. Now this is the working note for net divisible profit. 23,476 ratio 2:1. So Anuja's share here is, Anubha's share 15,650.6 approximately. I will take 15,651. And Kajal 7,825.3. So I'll skip this point. I'll take 7,825. So I had filled this amount here. It will be 15,651, and for Kajal it is 7,825. In this way we will prepare P&L appropriation account. Let's move to partners capital account. First of all, their brought down balance, which is Anubha's balance here is 90,000 and Kajal's balance is 60,000. सैलरी मैंने आपको बताया था, जो P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन की डेबिट साइड पे आइटम है, कैपिटल या फिर करंट अकाउंट की क्रेडिट साइड पे. हेयर सैलरी आई हैड रिटन हेयर Anubha, this is Kajal. Anubha here is 8,400. This is Anubha's column, and Kajal it is 6,000. Now interest on capital 4,500 and 3,000. 4,500, 3,000. Net divisible profit 15,651, and here 7,825. Now next drawing given in the question, that is 8,500 जो कि P&L appropriation account में नहीं है, and for Kajal it is 6,500. Interest on drawing we had calculated here. Anubha 213 and Kajal 163. Now we will total this side. Fluctuating के केस में balancing figure may be on this side or this side, but if you will go through with the item easily, you can understand this side total will be more. So first of all, I'll total this side. I had totaled this side earlier to save my time. Now you will write this total here on this side. Now what you will do, you will find out the carried on figure of their capital balance. मैंने ये पहले ही निकाल रखा है. So it will be, for Anubha it is and for Kajal it is 70,162. Now in this way we will prepare partners capital account. Hope you can understand how I had prepared P&L appropriation account and partners capital account as per the question.